In today's video, we're going to show you how to disconnect PS5 controller from Bluetooth and reconnect to the PS5 console. To do this, you need to turn off the PS5 DualSense controller by holding down the PlayStation button for around 10 seconds. You can confirm that it is turned off by looking at the lights around the touchpad. If they're no longer lit, then the DualSense has been successfully turned off. So after that, you can connect the PS5 controller to your PS5 console. To do this, you need to turn on your PS5 console. Step 2 is connect the controller using a USB cable. The USB-A end goes into the console. The USB-C end goes to the controller via the port at the top of your controller. Step 3 is press the PS button to turn on the controller. By performing this operation, the DualSense will be recognized by the PS5 and the initial setup will start. Your PS5 controller is now linked. By performing this operation, the DualSense will be recognized by the PS5 and the initial setup will start. Your PS5 controller is now linked, and depending on your use case, you will be asked to choose an existing user or create a new one. Step 4 is to charge your controller until it has enough power. And step 5, disconnect your USB cable and use it wirelessly. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.